Hello friends. Next, we are going to discuss the interior of the cavernous sinus. The interior, the interior of cavernous sinus. It's divided into a number of spaces or caverns. It's divided. It's divided into a number of spaces or caverns. Okay, it's divided into a number of spaces or caverns by trabeculae. By trabeculae. Okay, see, the name is cavernous sinus. The name is cavernous sinus. The interior of the cavernous sinus is divided into a number of spaces or caverns by trabeculae. Okay, the floor and medial wall. The floor and medial wall. Formed by endosteal dura mater. The floor and the medial wall is formed by the endosteal dura mater. Okay, the term is endosteal. Okay, another term is meningeal. Okay, meningeal dura mater. Okay, meningeal dura mater. This meningeal dura mater forms the roof, forms the roof and lateral wall. Lateral wall. See, cavernous sinus. The interior of the cavernous sinus is divided into a number of spaces or caverns by trabeculae. Okay, these trabeculae divide the interior into spaces and caverns. The floor and the medial wall is formed by the endosteal dura mater, and the roof and the lateral wall is formed by the meningeal dura mater. Okay, these are the features related to the floor and the medial wall and the roof and the lateral wall. Okay, see, next, anteriorly, anteriorly, the cavernous sinus extends up to extend up to the medial end of superior orbital fissure. Anteriorly, the sinus extends up to, see, this is the marker pen. This is anterior. This is anterior, and this portion comes posteriorly. This is anterior, and this portion comes posteriorly. Okay. The cavernous sinus anteriorly extends up to the medial end of superior orbital fissure. Extends up to medial end of superior orbital fissure. Superior orbital fissure. The cavernous sinus. Okay. And posteriorly, posteriorly up to apex of petrous temporal bone. Posteriorly, posteriorly up to apex of apex of petrous temporal petrous temporal bone. Okay. See, the cavernous sinus anteriorly extends up to medial end of superior orbital fissure and posteriorly up to apex of petrous temporal bone. Okay. So these are the anterior and posterior extents of the cavernous sinus.